My name is Nate Dunn. I'm an operations manager for HelloFresh. The reason I decided to go with Maven Analytics over other boot camps is mainly because their team's full of data professionals. So when I look at a program like that, I want people that have like skin in the game, people that have been there, kind of done that, have worked with data for a long time. So that was really a big selling point for me. And then I got to interview with the team prior to joining the boot camp. So that was kind of like the icing on the cake. Got to know the team a little bit, and then I felt like it was a good fit for me. The bootcamp covered a wide array of technical skills. Started with Excel, went into Power BI, then went into SQL, and then ended with Tableau. After each section, you'll have the opportunity to do a project and be able to demonstrate like all your learning and really apply your skill set and then present those findings to the group. My favorite part of the bootcamp, learning the tools was great, but I think getting to know the cohort on a professional level and then also the instructors was probably my favorite part. You're gonna have a weekly meeting with the teams, be able to get to know everybody. And I think like a big benefit of that is being comfortable asking people questions and then getting real-time feedback on those projects. Definitely glad that I joined the boot camp. So it's definitely changed the way that I look at data. Obviously, you're gonna learn a ton about the technical skill set and everything, but for me, I think it was a lot of the camaraderie of the group, getting to know your classmates, getting to know the instructors, getting comfortable with them, being able to lean on experiences from people who have been there and done that. And then also like two other pieces. So you'll learn a lot about thinking like an analyst, building project plans. This is something that I use in my day-to-day work that has definitely helped me with measurement plans and building project plans for our team. And then also one thing that I really enjoyed about the boot camp was the career sessions alone. If you're somebody that's looking to transition into a career in data, Maven has a lot of resources put together to be able to help you interview through the process and then also build a data portfolio. If you're considering the boot camp, I'd at least recommend going through the application process to give yourself the opportunity to meet with the team to see if you'd be a good fit. I think you definitely down the road be thanking yourself later that you went through the experience.